Media mode is coming. This is media mode for GoPro 11 Black. Why like that? No. Let's see again. Do you see that? Okay, let's open. Let's open. Keep behind the camera. Horrible package. Okay. There we go. It's media mode for GoPro 11 Black. So all accessories is there. Okay. Any more? No. Any more? No. 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 It's really hard to open and unbox. Okay. Sorry. Why I pay this stuff? I pay because this media frame have focus, charger, HDMI outputs. That's really necessary. Do you see that? And USB-C that have GoPro, because GoPro have only USB-C charger. That's all. That's why I got to media mode. So let's bring or install. Do you see? There we go. It's like rubber. Okay. Click the same like on GoPro. Icon. Make sure and install properly. That's it. Yeah, still. And here is a rubber microphone. So supposed to be. Do you see that? There's plastic. I don't know, maybe like that. Yeah. So that's media mode for GoPro 11 Black. Okay. So look at this. This looks quite different. Do you see that? I see a view meter. That's really interesting. Wow. It's cool. On media mode. Okay guys, now you can hear me without media mode microphone. Do you see? So that's without media mode. Okay, so now I try through the media mode. You can see I wait for better weather. So hopefully you hear me really well.
This service terminates here. Please make sure you have all your items with you before leaving the bus.
Go. Cheers! Sorry. Bye-bye. So okay, now we walk in the Stadland. So I show you my work area. So here it is, this house on the left, on the end road. A bit quicker, some car is coming, of course. So here is my workplace. You see that? So let's get to work.